Now time for a check of the forecast here, starting with a live look over uptown Charlotte from the view cam. Another cool and chilly evening in the Carolinas. You can see there temperature at 34, feels like 30 out there too. KJ, I guess we are bracing for this trend that is before us.
Yes, that's right, Fred. Temperatures are just going to drop tonight, and get this. This is night number 2 of that freeze warning, possibly one more night of another freeze warning, so time will tell.
All right.
Yes, we're getting ready for a very cold start to your morning tomorrow, so I want to make sure that you guys have those coats out and ready to go for tomorrow morning, as we are nice and dry across the area for tonight. But this is that freeze warning in effect as we move into the overnight hours, as temperatures are continuing to drop throughout the overnight. It is going to be much colder once you wake up tomorrow morning, and time will tell if any of our tender plants and crops survive this second round of freezing temperatures for several hours throughout the overnight. And we're going to struggle to warm above that freezing mark after daybreak tomorrow morning. Now, some of you had some snow and some ice in the mountains, but you can see now the wintry weather is tapering off there. However, we will have some dangerous conditions early tomorrow morning, so watch out for black ice, some of the slick roads throughout the overnight hours, and also some windy conditions in the mountains. There's a wind advisory in effect until tomorrow morning. Here's a look at those current temperatures now as you prepare for bed. Temperatures at 34 in Charlotte, Concord, you're at 36, Albemarle 35. Many of you are flirting near the freezing mark. Freezing temperatures, 32 degrees. Most of you are about 2 or 3 degrees above the freezing mark. Hickory, you're at 33, 24 below freezing in the mountains. No surprise there. You've been below freezing all day. You'll stay there by tomorrow morning, 21. But these temperatures in the mid-20s will set us up for that hard freeze by tomorrow morning. However, it's all about how we feel, right? You think about the wind chill. It will be a factor because we'll have winds coming in from the north and northwest. So it will feel more like 2 above 0 in Boone tomorrow morning, 7 above 0 in Jefferson. And many of you across the Piedmont, that wind chill will be around 20 degrees at daybreak. Going forward into your day tomorrow, sunshine is going to be your saving grace. Looking ahead at a nice and bright day, we'll come in around lunchtime tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. By 1 p.m., 50 degrees. It will warm up near 60 tomorrow. So this is going to be a nice comeback after a bitterly cold start to your day. So you'll start off with those extra layers, but you'll likely not need them for the afternoon. High pressure is continuing to pull in some of this cooler air as we head into another night, so we'll likely have that freeze watch in effect for your Wednesday night into Thursday to be upgraded to a freeze warning, and that could put us at 3 days in a row of a freeze warning. But here's what we're looking forward to. This is Thursday by 6 p.m. High pressure is going to move to the east, and that clockwise flow is going to bring in much warmer air for Thursday and Friday, and that will push our temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. And as we warm up, we'll have another chance of rain. But I want to pause it here because the cold front that will bring us the rain towards the end of the week on Friday, likely not to arrive until late Friday evening. That's 7 p.m. Most of us are just going to have cloud cover, and then the rain will begin to move in late Friday. The timing can shift slightly, but right now we're looking at some late day showers Friday and then clearing out by Saturday, as you see it here with the Guy Roof and 7-day forecast. Once we move beyond the weekend, we'll stay in the low and mid 50s next week.
All right.